Success is about creating benefit for all and enjoying the process. If you focus on this and adopt this definition, success is yours. Welcome to JRC Bureau and the 15 Steps to Becoming a Successful Investor in Any Asset Class playlist. Episode 8 is all about patience. We are naturally predisposed to instant service, fast food, sports highlight reels, Instagram reels, news headlines. Need I go on? But the universe has a way of rewarding people that take part in delayed gratification, from business moguls to highly successful sports personalities. So why is it that when it comes to you and your desires to become financially free through investing, instant gratification takes center stage and leads you down a path of destruction? Overreaching and overcompensating almost always induce unnecessary mistakes that will cost you big. Investing is not like purchasing a lottery ticket. It's going to take time and patience to get right. Becoming a successful investor requires patience, commitment and a great deal of work from your end. Investing is very much like being a test batsman. You have to possess the patience to leave some investments to go on by, take on high probability investments and cash in when everyone else is weary. The key to the investment game is learning over time to become more patient and allow things to play out. The long game is the only game, and becoming a master of delayed gratification is how you win. There is no shame in taking a hit in the short term to earn big in the long run. If you are interested in getting bankrolled from $25,000 to $10 million to trade cryptocurrency or any other asset class, check out the links below. For the crypto purists, I have an exchange for you to trade from in the link below, as well as a state-of-the-art cold storage wallet that holds cryptocurrency, NFTs, DeFi assets, dApps and so much more. If you looking to manage your portfolio from one place and keep track of your profit and loss at any point in time, then check out the coin stats. That's a wrap for today, my assassins. I'll try to keep this playlist short and painless. If you liked what you heard, please like and subscribe and take a long position on the notification bell, and remember, when you play the investment game, you either become rich or you spend the rest of your life measuring the cost of your ignorance.